Good morning, class. We are doing mathematics this morning, and it is word problems on subtraction. We are doing word problems on subtraction. Now, we are going to take away 63x from 97x. First of all, remember that subtraction is removing the smaller number from the bigger number. Subtraction is what? Removing the smaller number from the bigger number. Now, when you look at these two numbers written on the board, you will notice that a number is bigger and a number is smaller. 97x is bigger than 63x. 63x is bigger than 97. 97 and 63, which one should be on top? Is 97. 63 should be down. Now we'll do our tens and units. 97 minus 63. Make sure you don't forget your subtraction sign. This is your subtraction sign. Minus. Then you rule over. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3. You can calculate it by stroking down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You remove 3. Subtraction is removing the smaller number from the bigger number. 7 is bigger than 3. 7 minus 3. You have counted 7. You remove 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer is what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is it. You see it? Now here is 9. 9 is bigger than 6. So we'll remove 6 from 9. How do we do it? We'll stroke down again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll remove 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is what? Very good. The answer is 3. The answer is 3. I'm seeing you. I'm seeing all of you. So make sure you are counting it with me. Make sure you are saying the answer too with me, because I am seeing you. Alright, let's take the number 2 question. A boy subtracted 167 from 399. 167 from 399. Now, who can tell me the number that is bigger here? And who can tell me the number that is smaller? Yes, the bigger number is 399 and the smaller number is 167. Very good. Roll it for yourself. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and let it go. Pa, 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 pa. Super, you're a superstar. So now we are doing our 100 tens and units because it is 3-digit numbers. Remember, if it's your 2-digit number, it is just tens and units. But if it is your 3-digit number, it is what? 100 tens and units. So we'll write our 399 and we'll not forget our subtraction sign. And we write our 167. We'll rule over. Now, who can solve this for me? Solve it fast, fast, fast. Let me see your answer. Let me solve my own too. Let's see if it is the same answer we'll get. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. Who got the same answer with me? Very good. Roll it for yourself. Now this third one we are going to do is, we are going to solve it here. This third one, let's solve it here. I've written our assignment on the other side of the board. So let's solve this third one here. What is the difference between 446 and 134? What is the difference? Difference is telling us subtraction. Take away is telling us subtraction. Subtract is subtraction. So don't get confused. When you see difference between or minus, it is all subtraction. So the difference between 446 from and 134, we'll know the difference now. By first of all, we'll do our 100 tens and units, then we'll set our numbers. Don't forget your subtraction sign. You set the smaller number below and we'll count it. 6 minus 4, count it and get the answer. My mind is telling me the answer is 2. So count it and know if I'm correct. 4 minus 3, my mind is telling me it is 1. But count it and be sure if it is 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. This is what my mind is telling me the answer is. So let's count it together. Make sure you count it and be sure Miss Favor is correct. So if I'm not correct, let me know. Then you do your assignment. This is your assignment. A bus conveys 448 children. If 34 children are seated, how many are remaining? Remember how many we are? If we have 5 people and 3 people comes inside, how many will be outside? What you will say is 5 minus 3. We have 5 people and 3 people comes inside. We will say 5 minus 3. Here we have 48 children, and they said if 34 comes inside from that 48, how many will be outside? Simple. You put your 100 times a unit, put a bigger number up, put a smaller number down, and subtract. Do you get? Number 2, if you remove 27 broken eggs from a bowl of 58 eggs, how many eggs will remain? We have 58 eggs and 27 in the 58 is broken. What would you do? You remove it. Then how many will remain? Simple. Put your bigger number up, the smaller number down, and subtract. Very good. So see you next time. Thank you. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you this morning? I'm sure you are doing great. This morning we are going to be doing computer studies. Our topic is typing letters. Take note of your date, 21st of May 2020. Now our topic is typing letters. The computer can be used to type different kinds of letters. The computer can be used to type different kinds of letters. You can use a computer to type a letter to your best friend, your parents, or your teacher. You can use it to type to your best friend saying, "Hi best friend, how are you today? I've missed you. You know, we've not been seeing each other because of the situation in Nigeria." You use it to type letters to your best friend. You use it to type letters to your parents if your parents are far from you. "Hi daddy, hi mommy, I miss you." You use it to type letter to your teacher. "Hi Miss Favor, I miss you. I wish to see you again." You know, you use the computer to type your letters. Now the letter can be sent through the internet to the person. You either send it through the internet. You can use your system. After typing it, you tell daddy, tell mommy, "Help me and send this letter to my best friend. Help me send this to my teacher." Then the keyboard is used to type the letter. What do we use to type our letter? You don't just come and stand in front of the computer and be talking and expect it to type it. No, you use your keyboard to type the letter. Now we have the part of the computer that shows us the type of the part of computer that shows us the letter we are typing is the monitor. The part of the computer, we've learned about the computer. I've showed you the types of computer we have, the 2 types of computer we have. Now we are going to, the part of the computer, that's the screen, is called the monitor, and is that screen that shows us what we are typing. If you're typing with your keyboard, let me show you the keyboard. This is the photo of the keyboard. It has many buttons on it. It has many buttons on it, which has an alphabet, functional keys, and your numbers on it. This is the keyboard, and this is what we use to type our letters, and it will appear on the monitor. Now we are going to have an assignment to do. Homework. What is used to type letter? Which part of the computer shows us what we are typing? What? Okay. You type a letter to. Now this assignment is very simple. What is used to type the letter? Which part of the computer shows us what we are typing? Who can you type a letter to? Very good. So read your book, read this note. You can be able to do your assignment. Thank you. Hello, good morning, boys and girls. We are going to be doing verbal reasoning this morning, and we'll look at the letters. You notice that our letters is capital letter A and capital letter B. With this format, we'll do these ones. All these letters here has the big ones and the small ones, the big ones and the small ones. And our example here, they gave us capital D, small d, capital E, small e, capital F, small f. Now, check your ABCD. After your F, which letter comes? After your F, which letter comes? Is your G. So that means you write your capital G and your small letter G. After your capital G and small letter G, which letter comes next? Is your H. That means you write your capital letter H and your small letter H. Hope you understand. Let's take another example. Like, we have the capital letter T, capital letter U, capital letter U and small letter U, capital letter V and small letter V. Okay? We have our capital letter T and small letter T, capital letter U and small letter U, capital letter V and small letter V. After reading V, which letter again do you call? Of V, W, capital letter W and your small letter W. After your capital letter W and your small letter W, which other letter comes? Your capital letter X and your small letter X. Capital letter X and small letter X. Let's take one more example. Capital letter A, small letter A, capital letter B, small letter B, capital letter C, capital letter C, small letter C. Now look at this. Who can tell me the letters that will come after C, after A, B, C? Which other letters come? A, B, C. Which letter comes? Your D and your E. Very good. So it will be capital letter D, small letter D, capital letter E, and small letter E. It is very, very simple. Now let's do this one. Let's do this one as an assignment. Capital letter J, small letter J, capital letter K, small letter K, capital letter L, small letter L. Right. Capital letter N, small letter N, capital letter O, small letter O, capital letter P, small letter P. Which other two letters come after that? Capital letter L, small letter L, capital letter M, small letter M, capital letter N, small letter N. Which other two letters come after that? We have capital letter Q, small letter Q, capital letter R, small letter R, capital letter S, small letter X. Which other two letters come after that? Capital letter H, small letter H, capital letter I, small letter I, capital letter J, small letter J. Then let's do this last one. Capital letter F, small letter F, capital letter G, small letter G, capital letter H, small letter H. Alright, The assignment is very simple. Use this format, the format, to do your own. Thank you.